Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on infrastructure as code with AWS CloudFormation and the AWS Cloud Development Kit or CDK. In this session, we'll explore what IaC is, why it's important, and how AWS services makes it easier to automate cloud infrastructure. Now, infrastructure as code or IaC means managing your cloud infrastructure using code rather than through manual configuration. This brings automation, version control, and consistency to how we build and maintain cloud environments. For example, instead of manually creating an EC2 instance through the AWS console, you can define it once in code and deploy it automatically across multiple environments. CloudFormation and CDK overview. AWS CloudFormation is AWS native IaC service. You define your infrastructure in a YAML or JSON file, and CloudFormation automatically provisions all the required resources for you. The AWS CDK, on the other hand, lets developers define that same infrastructure using familiar programming language like Python or TypeScript. Behind the scenes, CDK compiles your code into a CloudFormation template and deploys it. This means you can use programming features like loops, conditions, and variables to create reusable dynamic infrastructure. You can see these are the features, CloudFormation, and AWS CDK. The real world application automate multi environment setups, version control cloud architectures, auto provision test, and production systems. Moving on to the summary, by using infrastructure as code, we make our infrastructure predictable, maintainable, and version control, just like application code. CloudFormation provides a strong foundation for declarative templates, and CDK builds on top of it, offering developer friendly flexibility. In the next video, we will dive into practical side, creating and deploying real infrastructure using CloudFormation.